Hi, I'm Brian from Nightfall's product team, and I'm excited to show you a new insider risk feature that we've shipped recently that will address the challenge organizations are having with shadow AI, or when their employees are using Gen AI tools, great, but without proper security governance, bad. So why bad? A recent study showed that in the UK, 1 in 5 companies suffered a data leak of customer information due to employees using Gen AI tools. So kind of scary, 1 in 5, that's a big number. And there's been a lot of fear and concern around DeepSeek recently with government control concerns as well as obvious security vulnerabilities. So what can Nightfall do to help you solve this problem? I'm going to demonstrate this by just assuming a couple different personas. First, I'm a marketing person, and my CEO has asked me to create just a 1 or 2 sentence summary of a long pitch deck. And I'm thinking to myself, wow, ChatGPT is perfect for this tool or for this job. So I've downloaded the decks and I'm going to upload them and then ask it to summarize it for me. But I've got a message from Nightfall saying that it was, or from my admin saying it was blocked. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try a different tool because I know LLMs are great at this. And I'm trying DeepSeek here and it's also blocked. Okay, well, I know that Nightfall communicates to me using Slack as well, and it gives me more details. So I'm going to go ahead and look at that Slack message and see what exactly is happening here. So I'm going to see if I've gotten a message. It should be coming through in just a second. I'm going to scroll up and use my previous message. So here we go. Here's the message. So it says that your access request was blocked. I know that. It says, please use Anthropic Claude. Oh, it's approved and I can use my corporate login. Cool, I know how to do that. So I can do this job in just a few minutes with a Gen AI tool. It also says something about if I need an exception, provide feedback. So it looks like there's a way if I want to try a new tool and I have authorization that I can work with the security team to change our security governance policies. So great, this is a perfect example of bi-directional learning. I learn about governance from SecOps, and SecOps learns about my needs, my work, some things that will speed my workflow directly from within Nightfall. So really cool experience there. So I'm going to go ahead and try Claude, and this time I'm going to imagine that I'm a customer support professional and I want to craft a polite response to a support ticket. So here is my support ticket. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop it in there, and I'm going to say, okay, let's see what she'll write for me. And of course, she writes a great email. It's comprehensive, polite, thorough. I love it. And my work is done in just a few minutes. Now, I do open this email and or the support ticket, and I can see that there's a credit card number in there. But the security professionals have thought of everything. Now, the reason why Claude was approved was because they've signed an agreement with Anthropic where Anthropic has promised not to use their data to retrain their models. So you know that if you're using your personal account, all of these LLM providers will use your data to retrain their models. Scary, right? But corporations can sign agreements where they're protected from this. So using this is a secure way of using a Gen AI tool and right in line with a thoughtful policy. So cool. Nightfall has helped enforce shadow AI policy. There are other aspects to this that we go into in other videos, so I encourage you to either to browse our video library or reach out to us for a demo, and you'll see how Nightfall in just a few minutes can get up and running and help you with insider risk scenarios and really pinpoint those genuine threats without generating a lot of noise. Thanks for watching.